there are always going to be cyclists.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
The start of my day is to walk through the market. I have to get to the terminus first, but I think I'll come back this way as well. About another ½ kilometre to go before I get to the start of the HexaTrek, and I'll be retracing my steps exactly where I've been for about 1.5 kilometres. So the start is really on the French-German border. So the region we're in, which I think is Alsace, yeah, vineyards, loads of vineyards. Here is the start point, just on the edge of a village. Ooh, through the market. I saw this guy setting up earlier, this one. Just retracing my steps. This is the way I came in last night. So, get to the edge of town, turn right, and then we're beginning to get on our way. Started the day with Dog and Pup from Edinburgh. We're actually on, yeah. And then back to the HexaTrek sign I saw last night. And away we go. I've got to get used to which icon I'm following, because there's quite a few. Leaving via the suburbs, a long, gentle uphill. And here we are, day one of the HexaTrek. Woo! So, had to go 1.5 kilometres out of the village to get to the sign, to then come back again. But way in the background is Wissembourg, and then we're just on our way, slowly making up the first rise. Yeah, loads of rain the last couple of days. We've got rain forecast later, but the start's beautiful and sunny, and loads of birds. Goldfinches, wow, loads of them. So let's see where the day takes us. Seeing quite a few of these. I'm assuming they're shooting huts. Nice covered area. Quite a view coming down into this little village beside the vines. My first hill. I've been zigzagging up the hill for a while, and I finally see a sign. keep going. Ooh. Reach the top of something. $4.90, okay. Haven't seen many flowers on the way up, but nice to see a few foxgloves in a clearing. So, about 500 metres is this hut with camping sites around. I'm sure you can get quite a few tents around here, even though they say 2 or 3. But let's have a look inside. Quite a place. A green tunnel. First few hours. Yeah, I've been lucky with the weather. It's just nice to go through forest. Some of the signs are a bit confusing. At the moment I'm just following red rectangles. GR 53, which I think is the first section. The first little bridge over a stream. Can't imagine why anybody would get any water from here. I'd boil it twice. The first HexaTrek marker I've seen since leaving Wissembourg, so I'm on the right track. It might be a French village, but there's an awful lot of German. Shows you how close they really are together. I don't know how religious it is around here. This is the first cross that I've seen. Lunchtime on day 1, and I've seen my first hiker. Just having lunch with Tim at this unattended shelter.
For the weather for tonight.
Visiting, I don't know what it is, the castle. Has a place to eat, so you might as well. We're in France. There are always going to be cyclists. The directions, and that's the castle. Here we are at a junction of loads of paths. Here's the shelter we're beside, and that's my tent. Reasonably flat place. And here's Tim's tent. What sort of tent is this?
Huh?
What sort of tent is this?
I Agnes extra dome.
Oh, it's a Durston. Yeah, yeah.
Durston.
Yeah, yeah. We're all Durston.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.